everyone and welcome to today's video. Today is a little bit different, but I just thought this would be a fun video to do and to share with you guys. So tomorrow I am going to London for 5 nights and I thought I would show you how to pack super light for a 5-night trip away. I will be taking just this backpack and I will show you how I fit 5 nights worth of clothes, toiletries and other essentials into this backpack, so it takes away the need to take a big suitcase with you. This backpack has pretty much been around the world with me. I've done Toronto on hand baggage with this bag. I've done Boston for 4 or 5 days just on hand baggage with this bag. It's been to Europe with me. So I just thought this would be the perfect opportunity to show you everything I'm taking to London with me and just how to pack really super light for a 5-6 day trip away. So I'm going to insert some clips now of everything that I'm taking with me so you can see exactly how much I'm going to be fitting into this tiny little bag. So this is everything that I'm taking with me. We've got makeup bits here, pyjamas, underwear, socks, a cagoule because we all know what the British weather's like. I've got some culottes, some electronic bits, hairbrush, toiletries, more toiletries, sunglasses, masks, dungarees, trousers, some t-shirts, hair straighteners and just makeup remover cleanser and some wipes. So this is everything that I need for my trip and I'm going to show you how I pack it all. For me, the best way to get organised for any trip is to start off by writing a list. So my list here, I've got all of my clothing bits, I've got all of my toiletry bits and I've got all of my just other random bits that I need to take. So first of all, this ensures that I don't forget anything, and it also makes sure that I take exactly what I need and don't pack too much, because obviously the purpose is that I'm only going for a few days. I only want to take my backpack, so I don't want to be packing stuff just for the sake of it. So you can probably see here, the first thing on my list is all of the clothing items I need to take. And what I do, especially for a short trip like this, where I'm just taking my backpack, I like to just mix and match my clothes. So I know that I need to take 5 outfits with me, obviously plus the outfit that I'm wearing to London, you know, on the day that I get the coach there. For this trip, rather than packing 5 totally separate outfits, I'm going to be taking 1 pair of trousers, which I'm going to be wearing on the coach to London. I'm taking my pair of dungarees and I'm taking a pair of culottes. What I'm doing t-shirt wise is I'm going to take 5 different coloured t-shirts, and they are all just plain t-shirts, and all of the t-shirts will go with the culottes, the dungarees and the trousers. So essentially you have 15 different outfits to pick from. So even if you decide when you get there, oh, I don't really want to wear that top with those trousers, you don't have to. You've got other options. I'm not taking any dresses on this trip. I just thought it would overcomplicate things because I'd have to think about packing like tights or leggings, and then I would just end up taking too much stuff and probably not fitting in half of the things that I need. So I'm going to give you an example of my outfits. I'm going to show you the same t-shirt paired with the culottes, the trousers and the dungarees, just to show how versatile just a plain t-shirt can be. These are the floral culottes, so I picked these up recently from H&M. These are my dungarees that I picked up recently from ASOS, and these are just my kind of grey flecked trousers, and I think I got these from Matalan. So t-shirt wise, I've just got a selection of plain coloured t-shirts. So I've just got this teal one here, and just for, I guess, demonstration purposes, I'm going to pair this green teal top with all 3 of the bottoms. So I will insert some clips just of the outfit, just so you can see, I suppose, what I'm talking about. So you can hopefully get the idea of how versatile just plain t-shirts can be, just paired with different bottoms. All the bottoms I've decided to take all have pockets in them, which for me is great. I like to put my phone in there, my card for if I'm jumping on the tube or the bus or whatever. A bit easier than just chucking it all in my backpack. I also tend to just take one pair of shoes with me, which will actually be the shoes that I'm wearing. Because this time I'm going to London and that will involve probably a lot of walking, I'm just going to be taking my Adidas trainers, which of course I will be wearing tomorrow on the way there. And also, just to save on packing space, I don't take a separate handbag. If I need to take a bag out, then I will just pop things in my backpack. Of course, I can unpack at the hotel, so I'm not carrying around all of my stuff for every day of my trip. Next on my list, I have got all of my toiletries, which can often be quite a big part of packing. They're quite bulky items. I know a lot of hotels do have their own like shower gel and things, but let's be realistic, it's never great. So what I like to do, instead of spending an absolute fortune on those like mini shampoos and mini conditioners, I just decant my own into these little things here. So I picked up this set, obviously not with the hand lotion, I picked up this set from Primark. I think it was £2.50, and it did also come with like a little pot that you could put cream or something in, and it has also got these little stickers, so if you're not sure what everything is, you can just label it yourself anyway. So what I've done obviously is just taken my normal shampoo, my normal shower gel, my normal conditioner, and I have just decanted it into these mini tubes because I have all of those things here. I don't want to spend a fortune on the minis, and you're never that clear what you're going to get in a hotel. I do always make sure that they are in a little like sealed packet or another plastic bag, just in case they do open up in my bag for some reason, then at least not all of my clothes and belongings are ruined. But yeah, that's just what I do for my toiletries. Very cheap and inexpensive way to take your favourite products without having to spend a fortune on the minis. Next up, toiletry wise, I like to pack my makeup, and I do have quite a large collection of makeup, but of course I cannot take it all with me. I do just pack a really condensed makeup bag to take away with me. So I have actually just got this one from Birchbox, which looks like it's massive, but actually it's only half full. I'll do things like I'll take a really tiny eyeshadow palette because it saves on space. I've got mini blush, I've got mini bronzer, so any miniatures that I do have, I do take away with me just to save on space. I also just take a selection of makeup brushes, so rather than taking a whole bag of makeup brushes, I've just got a few face ones here and a few eye ones, just really the staple brushes that I need to create any look. And then I'm also just packing another slightly bigger palette, just because there's a really good variety of shades and a good mirror. I do tend to try and pack an eyeshadow palette that has got a really good variety of shades, just because then I find I'm likely to be able to make a look that goes with any of the outfits that I have taken. So yeah, definitely every single colour from the rainbow in this palette. And again, I do try to take some of my smaller palettes. So this is just the Revolution Forever Flawless. This is the We Were On A Break Friends palette. So it is quite a small one, quite sturdy in this tin, so no fear of it becoming damaged in my bag. But if you are interested in all the items that I've taken makeup wise, you can kind of see them a little bit here, but I will try to remember to list them in the description as well. But the main thing to remember is just to take one of each, so one concealer, one primer, one mascara. I do have two eyeliners, a black one and a white one, just to cover every eventuality, but just pack light and you will be fine. And all that leaves on my list is just my other category. So we've got things like phone charger, headphones, purse, so generally some more last minute items. What I'll do is, as I pack everything, I will just tick it off my list. Anything that I can't pack till last minute, so for example my toothbrush or my hairbrush, because I will need those in the morning, I will just circle, and then I know to pack them in the morning. But I'm going to try and do like a little time lapse of me actually packing everything to prove that all of that stuff does fit in that bag without any issues. where is everything all packed? You may have noticed that I didn't pack my pair of grey trousers, but that's because I'm wearing those up to London on the coach tomorrow, and of course there's no point packing them because I would just have to unpack them a bit later on. But I hope this kind of demonstrates how much, well, I suppose A, how much you can actually fit in a backpack, and B, how you can survive for 5 or 6 days on not actually a lot of items. I know this was a slightly different style of video, but I just thought it would be quite fun to do. Had quite a lot of fun getting everything organised for packing. I think I am quite an organised person, so I do love making a list, and I'm just really excited about going away because this will only be the second time this year I've been away, and it will be the first time staying in a hotel since they reopened a couple of weeks ago. I'm kind of thinking I maybe might do some vlogs in London. I'm going to see how it goes. I might just vlog a few bits and then see how I feel about that. So possibly maybe some London vlogs coming soon, but if not, then you can just ignore everything I've just said. But thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Please do let me know if I've provided you with any tips or tricks that may be of use to you. Please do give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment, and as always, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you again in my next video.